Good evening. Tonight, we're witnessing a pivotal moment in technology, the debut of Gemini Robotics from Google DeepMind. Gemini isn't just another robot. It's a leap toward machines that understand and interact with our world in truly human-like ways. For years, helpful robots seemed like science fiction. Now that future is within reach. What sets Gemini apart? It's not just smarter software, it's a new way for robots to think, learn, and act independently. At its core, Gemini enables robots to process information and make decisions on their own, without needing a constant internet connection. Imagine a robot that understands your spoken request, surveys its surroundings, and figures out how to help, all by itself. This is the promise of Gemini robots that adapt, learn from humans, and handle complex tasks safely and reliably. Tonight, we'll explore the technology behind Gemini, see it in action, and hear why experts are calling this a landmark achievement. The implications are vast, from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and home assistance. Let's dive into the story of Gemini Robotics and the future it's bringing to life. So how does Gemini work? At its heart is the Vision Language Action Model, or VLA. Vision: the robot sees and interprets its environment through cameras. Language: it understands spoken commands like, "Put the apple in the bowl." Action: it translates understanding into precise physical movement. The real breakthrough? Gemini runs directly on the robot's onboard computer, no cloud required. This means real-time thinking, faster responses, and independence from internet connections. Robots can now operate in remote warehouses, disaster zones, or anywhere Wi-Fi is unreliable. Gemini's AI learns from massive datasets: text, images, videos, and robotic actions, connecting words to objects and actions. By watching people tidy a desk, for example, it learns the concept of organizing and can apply it to new situations. This ability to generalize makes Gemini flexible and intelligent, able to handle tasks it's never seen before. It's not just following scripts, it's learning, reasoning, and adapting. That's what makes Gemini Robotics a true game changer. To prove Gemini's power, Google DeepMind released stunning demonstrations. In one, a robot folds a piece of paper into a house, an act requiring dexterity and step-by-step reasoning. In another, it's told to put the fruit in the bowl and the blocks in a line. The robot identifies each item, sorts them, and completes the task smoothly. The robots respond naturally, with no awkward pauses or clumsy movements. When asked to clean a spill, a robot arm grabs a sponge and wipes the surface. Told to find the red dinosaur, it scans toys and picks the right one. These aren't just tricks, they show real understanding and problem solving. The robots follow conversational commands, not rigid programming. For the first time, using a robot feels like collaborating with an intelligent partner. These demonstrations prove Gemini's practical intelligence and hint at a future where robots are genuinely helpful in daily life. The age of intuitive, capable robots is here. The unveiling of Gemini Robotics set the tech world abuzz. Social media exploded with videos of Gemini's demos, quickly going viral. People marveled at the robot's smooth movements and its ability to understand casual commands. For many, this was the first glimpse of a future where robots are truly useful companions. Experts agree, running advanced AI locally is a critical milestone, removing the cloud bottleneck and making robots more reliable. Researchers say this leap will accelerate development and open doors to new applications. Of course, there are questions about safety and the limits of current models. As robots become more autonomous, ensuring they act safely and predictably is essential. While challenges remain, the consensus is clear. Gemini Robotics is a major step forward. The focus now is on refining the technology and preparing for real-world integration. Gemini Robotics isn't just an upgrade, it's a foundational leap for autonomous machines. Robots can now understand, reason, and act on natural language commands, all without cloud dependency. In factories, workers could simply ask robots to reconfigure lines or fetch parts, no programming required. In healthcare, robots could assist nurses with logistics, freeing up time for patient care. In logistics, they could sort packages and manage inventory by voice. Even at home, robots could help with chores or assist the elderly. Gemini unites vision, language, and action into one powerful system, marking a new era for AI. The demonstrations show what's possible: robots that learn, adapt, and collaborate. The age of intelligent, helpful robots is no longer a dream, it's unfolding now. Today, we stand at the threshold of a future shaped by machines that truly understand us.